If you're looking for another cool place for a quick stop in Fairbanks, it is the Great Alaska Bowl Company. Now, I know we're talking about Alaska, but it's not that kind of bowl. It's actually like a wood bowl. So everything in here, they hand make. Like if it's wood or something like that, it's handmade. And it's one of my favorite places to come to when we lived here because you can get so many neat things for gifts to take home, to send home, Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, just because gifts. Let's check it out. Well, that completes our time at the Great Alaskan Bowl Company. It's really cool to see that engraving of that eagle on the bowl. If you have any questions about the Great Alaska Bowl Company, let me know. And as always, I really appreciate it if you hit that like and subscribe button. It really helped me out so I can do more travel channels and bring more content to you.